Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout songs on piano. First, you will want to locate appropriate sheet music or video tutorials online. Many resources offer arrangements for various skill levels, so start with something manageable. Focus on understanding basic music theory and finger placement. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing scales and chords to build a strong foundation for your playing journey. To truly capture the Fallout sound, focus on mastering essential piano techniques. Pay close attention to the melody and the underlying chord progressions, which often feature jazz and swing elements. Many online platforms like YouTube offer step-by-step guides. Consider using a digital piano with 88 weighted keys to simulate an acoustic feel, enhancing your practice and performance. Many classic Fallout songs translate beautifully to the piano. A fantastic starting point is Maybe by the Ink Spots, known for its melancholic yet catchy melody. Another iconic choice is I Don't Want to Set the World on Fire, which features a memorable vocal line and rich harmonies. Don't forget to explore the instrumental background tracks from the games, offering unique atmospheric pieces to learn. Consistent practice is key to mastering Fallout songs. Aim for at least 30 to 60 minutes of focused practice each day. When tackling more challenging pieces, break them down into smaller, manageable sections, perfecting each part before combining them. As you advance, try experimenting with different chord voicings and improvising over familiar melodies to develop your unique style and musicality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.